Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to balance family, work, and your online business? I get it. As a mom of two with a full-time job, I know how tough is it to find the time to create a digital product from scratch. You might have seen many YouTube channels talking about how easy it is to create digital product in Canva. While Canva is a fantastic tool, but creating a digital product from scratch still takes a lot of efforts and time. Anyway, what if I told you there's a time-saving solution that can make your life so much easier? That's where PLR products come in. They have been a game changer for me, allowing me to rebrand and sell high-quality digital products without all the stress. Imagine having a ready-made product you can customize and sell in no time. Before I started using PLR products, it took me nearly a month to complete and launch my digital product. And here's the issue. High quality doesn't always mean good sales. Imagine spending all the time creating something only to find out it doesn't sell well. It can be so disappointing and make you want to give up. But with PLR products, you get a head start. You can focus on making the brand valuable for your audience without all the initial hustle. It's a smart shortcut that saves time and boosts your chances of success. The best part is that PLR products are incredible beginner friendly. If you are not skilled in design, tools like Canva make it easy to customize this product. So don't worry if you are not a designer. Don't give up on this opportunity. Just follow me till the end and you will see why this is a totally beginner friendly way to make money online with digital products. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Rachel and I love sharing tips on how to make money online, especially using Canva. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic, how to make money with PLR digital products. If you're wondering what PLR stands for, it means Private Label Rights. A PLR digital products is a type of license that allows you to purchase digital products and resell them without worrying about copyright issue. This means you can buy digital products like ebooks, planners, or courses and then rebrand, edit, and sell them as your own. You can find PLR products in various niches, health, business, personal development, and more. However, many PLR products available online are poorly designed and lack aesthetic, making them difficult to sell. The key to success with selling PLR products is to find high-quality editable PLR products that can customize to fit your brand. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step where to find these products, how to edit them, and where to market them effectively. Number 1. Where to find your PLR. I love finding PLR Canva templates because they are incredibly easy to customize and make my own. Here are a few of my favorite websites to purchase PLR from: Secret Weapon PLR, Ivory Mix, Creative Fabrica, and Etsy. They offer fantastic selections of PLR Canva templates that you can tweak to match your brand. Of course, you should explore different PLR websites to find the ones that offer the best quality product for your needs. Just a tip, always read reviews and check the product quality before making a purchase. This ensures you are getting high quality PLR to use or share with your audience. If you need more options, check out my list of 20 top PLR websites below to find the perfect fit for your niche and brand. Number 2. How to edit PLR templates. Once you purchase your PLR content, open it and review the quality of the content first. Only start editing if you think it meets your standards. Now, let's start customizing our PLR templates. This is where Canva comes in handy. You can easily rebrand PLR products to match your style and audience. Anyway, do remember that please don't waste your time edit low quality content, as it doesn't really give you any value to your buyer or audience. Let us customize this PLR ebook. As an example, we can change the color, fonts, and image to make the product uniquely yours. Add your logo, tweak the content, and make it more valuable for your audience. Number 3. Packaging your PLR products. Packaging is always crucial. If you have a good quality product but no packagings, your audience is not even interested in knowing more details about the product. Also, nowadays, there's a lot of competition out there. If you can't make your product outstanding, then it will be hard for you to market them. Anyway, you can simplify this process as well. Just go to a mockup apps in Canva, find a mockup suitable for your contents and use it. Let's say my product is an ebook. I can use an ebook mockup in Canva to make the whole book packaging nicer. Or you may purchase some ebook mockups from websites like Creative Fabrica or Etsy as well. Number 4, listing your PLR products. After editing your PLR products, the next step is to list them for sale. Two excellent platforms for this are Gumroad and StanStore. Gumroad is free to use and doesn't charge a monthly fees, making it ideal for any beginners. StanStore, on the other hand, charge a $29 monthly fees, but it offers more features and control over your listing. You can also list your product on Etsy, Shopify, or even create your own website. The key is to diversify your listing to reach a broader audience. Don't rely solely on one platform. Spread your products across multiple sites to maximize your sales. Number 5, driving traffic. Driving traffic to your product page, landing page, or website is crucial. Platforms like Pinterest and TikTok can be highly effective for this purpose. Pinterest is particularly useful because creating visually appealing pins is relatively easy with tools like Canva. On the other hand, TikTok requires video content, which can be more time-consuming but highly engaging. The key is to understand where your target audience spends their time and focus your effort there. Number 6, email marketing. Another effective strategy I prefer and that helps me get the most sales is using these products as lead magnet to build my email list. For instance, if you are in a fitness niche, you could offer a free ebook on keto diets or fitness plan. Create a landing page using a tool like System.io, which allows you to collect email address in exchange for a free ebook. Once you have a growing email list, you can start your email marketing campaign. Email are powerful tools for nurturing leads and converting them into customers. Even if people wait to purchase, consistent and valuable email content can eventually lead to sales. Always remember that marketing is the main point in selling. No matter how good your product is, it's hard to sell without marketing. Number 7, important marketing tips. When selling digital products, aim for higher ticket items. High-paying customers are easier to manage than many low-paying ones. Competing on price is a mistake. Higher ticket items sell better if you have a knowledge and skill to back them up. Marketing is super important. Sales don't happen by magic. You need to marketing your product. Organic search, social media marketing, and paid marketing are the main methods. Marketing isn't sneezy. It's essential. If your product is valuable, you should market it. So, if you don't have any audience, build one. I started with no money for paid marketing, making content for social media, which involve in selling digital products. Building an audience takes time, but it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips on how to make money with PLR digital products helpful. Remember, the key to success is not just finding quality PLR content, but also customizing it to fit your brand and meet your audience needs. With Canva, you have all the tools you need to create professional and eye-catching products that stand out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description below for the link to my recommendation PLR website and other resources. And as always, feel free to leave any question or comment below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy designing and happy selling.